Welcome back to Good Day Kansas. We are here with Nate from Wichita Homeworks. Nate, can you first of all tell us a little bit about what you're working on here?
Yeah, so we demoed an existing sunroom that was on this home, as well as a deck that was off the backside of it. And we're essentially going back with a similar setup, but this one's new and improved. So this will be a 4 seasons room. You can see it's got a lot of natural light we put in with windows. It'll be temperature controlled. I know it doesn't feel like it right now, but we will get this temperature controlled. So great place for the clients to come out, have coffee in the morning, watch a thunderstorm in the evening. And then we've got a deck that we're going to be building off of the backside of this, and the cover extends over that. So it'll be a nice addition to their backyard. They've got a great space back here, and it'll work out great for them.
So tell us a little bit about kind of what this was looking like before and how what is going to be here kind of compares.
Yeah. So we started with the foundation under this, started from scratch, built it up into this. So at this stage right now, we're just finishing the framing stage. Next, we'll get all of our trades in here. So your plumber, electrician, HVAC people, they'll come in here, they'll get everything roughed in. And then from there, we'll get it insulated and drywall will start going up. So that's when it really starts to take shape and you start to see what the space is going to look like. You get a feel for the size of it, all of that. So this is kind of the most chaotic part of the whole process.
And this 4 seasons room, I love natural light, and I've never heard of a 4 seasons room. I've always heard of a sunroom. So is the 4 seasons, is that a little bit of a different concept?
Yeah, so it's probably semantics, but a sunroom to us is something that isn't temperature controlled. So it's just open to the outside. But the nice thing about this, as you know, being in Kansas, days like today, you get very few days where it's super nice outside. So it's nice to have a space that has enough windows to make it feel like you're outside, but you still have the comforts of the heating and air.
And how does something like this come to life? How do you make this all happen?
Yeah, so it all starts with our in-house design team. So we sit down, we actually come out here on site first. We'll take really precise, accurate measurements of the existing space. And then our drafters and designers go to work to draw up in a software what it's going to look like. We can even render their actual material selections onto the walls. There's very little surprise once it's built from, compared to what it was on paper beforehand. And that's how we like it. That way there's no major changes in the middle of the process, because that's when they obviously cost more and take more time.
Lastly, can you tell people where they can find more information?
Yeah, they can visit us on the web at wichitahomeworks.com or give us a call at 316-303-4485.
All right, excited to see this project come together.
You bet, thanks.
We'll have more on Good Day Kansas after this.